Roxy's Canine Couture. If you made it to part 3, thank you guys so much for watching this series. If you have not seen part 1 and part 2, please click the little eye right here in the corner, and you can, that's where I'll have the part 1 and part 2 if you want to watch them in order. If not, please keep on watching. I'm going to cover 3 things. It's going to be how to making a name and trademarking that name. If you don't know what that is, keep watching. Number 9, we're going to go over more marketing, logos, where you can make that, and business cards, thank you cards, things like that for marketing. And 10 is packaging, which is very important. So keep on watching if you would like to know more about that. And I will see you guys in my next video because I won't be doing an outro. So keep watching for tips. Bye.
Okay, question number 8 is, when you have your name set out and picked, before you make an Instagram or Facebook, Amazon, Etsy, you need to make sure that name is not taken, because you don't want to do your research and you put your Instagram and Facebook, and then something booms later on and you're like, oh crap, someone already has that name. So you just type in Google trademark business name. Then you click on the first one. It should pop up. I'm not sure. It's like US something. You click on it. You type in the name that you want, and if it says clear, then you're good to go. And so you make sure that initially no one has that name. So when you get your followers up and people know your brand and things like that, that's when you trademark it, because it does cost $300 to trademark your name. It costs $100 for the website to give you the name, and then $200 in government fees. So it probably costs you $300 if I'm not mistaken. If I am mistaken, please comment down below and correct me, but I do believe that it is $300 to trademark your name. So that's another thing you want to do. Number 9. So after that you get your name down, no one else has it, you have what you want to do, what you're going to sell, then you make your business cards. And what comes with that is your logo. So you can make a free logo on canva.com. It's free. There's a logo section, so you click logo, and you can make your you can make it from there. You can do a text logo or a picture logo, just depending on the feel of your brand. To make it transparent, so you could put it on anything. You do have to pay for that, but if you make it, I believe there's an app on your phone that you can make the background transparent, so you can put it on anything. But for now, I believe that's okay, as long as it blends in with your business card. Yeah, so you can make your logo there. And also they have Instagram and Facebook posts to make it nice and pretty if you want to do different fonts on there, sales and stuff like that. And also on PixArt, you can make different marketing posts for Instagram and Facebook as well, and also for your Etsy account. So if you want to put multiple pictures on there and put like a cute font with like stars or whatever for branding, so when people swipe and see your products, you want like a different picture or words, you don't want just regular text, you can go on there and make it more professional. Instead of typing your notes on your phone and screenshotting it and then put it there, it gives like more of a professional look when things are polished. And also with your business cards, you need to have a color palette. So what colors are your business going to have, and make sure the colors are cohesive. I mean, that would be cohesive because Google, it has like blue, yellow, red, but I guess it's cohesive because that's the 3 main colors. But anyway, just make sure your colors look well and go with your brand. Ours is Roxy's Canine Couture. Our colors are black, white, and pink, and probably like silver maybe. Mm-hmm. So those are our colors, and make sure those colors are cohesive throughout everything that you're going to do. So with your business cards, make sure you have the logo and you have your colors, and then you can make your business cards. You can make those on Vistaprint. Everyone goes to those, and they're very, very cheap. If you go to Vistaprint, this is what it comes in. You open it, and this is how many you order. you should order like 500 at a time, because you don't want to keep ordering over and over. $100 is not enough. 50, or you can go through Wix. If you do make a Wix website, they do have a section where you can make your logo there, and you can make your business cards and just print from there. But if you're not ready for that to pay, then you could just go through Vistaprint, and also you could do thank you cards if you have a customer. So you can slip in that thank you card, be like, thank you for shopping at Rex Canine Couture. Here is a blank discount. This is the code. Put it in here and you will get 20% off, 10% off, 15% off your next purchase. Thank you so much for shopping. And then you can put your Instagram and Facebook. If please take a picture and send it to this to get on our story or our page, yada yada. And that's another way for your business to be like, oh my god, they have this thank you card, they're so nice. And also in the packages, you put your business card and your thank you card. And also another thing is for return customers. So if they're returning customers, you can make a separate thank you card for, oh, thank you, we missed you, thanks for returning, da da da. Here's a % off that's more than the first one. So if the first one you get 10% off, the next one for returning customers can be 15, 20, whatever you want to make it. So that's a perfect way for you to market and to be more professional, and that's how you build trust with your customers. Okay. And number 10, the last tip that I'm going to give you guys is packaging. Make sure your packaging is within your budget and nice. You can get pretty packaging from Amazon. They have pink, blue, purple, hollow, silver, gold. Or if you don't want to spend that much packaging because you're just starting, there's some at Dollar Tree. You can get 3 envelopes for $1. You can go to Walmart and get like 50 envelopes for probably $10, something like that. Just the regular yellow ones. And for the inside, you could put like those little confetti. You could wrap your product up depending on what you want. But packaging is very important, especially to stay in your color palette as well. And in that packaging, like I said before, you put in your business card, your thank you card, and your product in the nice packaging. Some things that we did for the bow ties, the neckties, and for our other products, we have these bags. They're pretty cheap. You can get them at Dollar Tree or you can get them at Walmart. Dollar Tree, I believe you get like 20 for $1? Like 20 for $1, or you go to Walmart, you get like 50 for $3 or something. Yeah. And this is what we'd have. So this, for example, this is a bow. This is our Africana bow for Kwanzaa and Black History Month. We get a snack bag or a cellophane bag. You can get them in the party section where the kids can have the goodie bags with candy, and or
cellophane bags.
Yeah, cellophane bags, but they're in that section with party. The party section. So you just put whatever. There's different sizes. This is a small size, or you can get a bigger size. And they come with a little twisty tie on here. And then we get some ribbon. You can get dollar ribbon at the Dollar Tree, or the better price is at Walmart because you get more for your money. At Dollar Tree, you get a yard for $1, but at Walmart, you probably get 4 yards for $2 something. So it's better at Walmart because you get more for your money. Even though Dollar Tree's only $1, you don't get as much ribbon. So we just get the ribbon and tie it whatever matches the bow. And then on Vistaprint, you can also get stickers, and we have stickers that we ran out, but you can get your logo on the sticker, and you can just put the sticker on the cellophane bag or on the outside of the packaging. And that's another way to brand yourself, because you always want to put your brand out there. Anything you do, it's always on there. Yeah. And another thing that you guys can do is get labels when you guys are, if you don't have as much money, you guys can get labels and put them on your products, like t-shirts, a little tag in the back. You put those on there. But for right now, we didn't have enough money for that, or we're just starting out at the time, and we just put stickers on the front. And that's a cute little way to just show your brand on the cellophane bags. This is my 10 tips for the first things that you need to know before you open your business, your doggy business, or whatever other business that you would like. If you like these tips and they were helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below any questions that you have. Our information is in the description box below for our for our Etsy and our Facebook and Instagram. I hope you guys have a great evening or night whenever you're watching this video, and we will catch you next time.
Bye. Peace.